puppy. Today let's find out 27 different words which start with the letter I. This is how the alphabet I looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. I for infant. Infant. I for impala. Impala. I for iguana. Iguana. I for Indian elephant. Indian elephant. I for Irish terrier. Irish terrier. I for insect. Insect. I for iris. Iris. I for ivy. Ivy. I for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. I for Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry. I for ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice lolly, which is also called ice pop. Ice lolly or ice pop. I for ice. Ice. I for icicle. Icicle. I for iceberg. Iceberg. I for ice skating. Ice skating. I for igloo. Igloo. I for island. Island. I for ice bag. Ice bag. I for ice box. Ice box. I for iron. Iron. I for ironing board. Ironing board. I for ink. Ink. I for internet. Internet. I for image. Image. I for illusionist. Illusionist. And lastly, I for idea. Idea. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. You did a great job today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.